guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a quick video on how I turned this sculpture right here into this prosthetic latex piece right here. So if your sculpture doesn't have too many details, you can just do a brush latex, which is what we're going to do today. Just go ahead and keep on watching if you want to see how this is going to be turned into this right here. This will be a piece that we can put on me. I'm going to definitely do a video on that later.
And I'm going to be using a balloon latex, which is not necessary. It's just a little bit of a thinner consistency, so I get those feathered edges that I like. And this piece, I went in with a Chavant clay. It's a medium hardness, and I really like this. I just kind of stick with this. It's not necessary. You can use monster clay. You can use the red Chavant clay, anything that you're comfortable with. And I'm taking a Q-tip and I'm just stippling on layers, really trying to concentrate more on the middle and feather out at the edges. So even through some layers, I'll skip the edges. That way that, they just come out a little bit thinner. You also want to make sure to let it dry in between each layer, because if you go in too soon, it'll start picking up the layer from before, and then you'll just start getting a mess because it'll start lifting. And I like to sculpt my pieces on a piece of tile or a piece of glass, just so that they're really easy to get the latex off. There's nothing porous on them catching it. And even when I do my cement or plaster molds or silicone molds, I use a tile because it just peels right off and there's no worries on any cleanup. And every 2 to 3 layers, you want to grab a new Q-tip. That way the cottons are fresh and you can really go into those crevices and get the latex built up in there too. So once you get all your layers stippled on and it's nice and dry, you're going to take a layer of baby powder and powder it up really good, because you don't want it to stick to itself when you're peeling it up. And then just kind of roll up one of the edges and start working your baby powder underneath that. Just getting it all under there so it's not sticking to itself as you lift it up. And then you'll have a latex prosthetic piece that is ready to be painted and glued on.
So that's it, guys. That is the final prosthetic piece, and we got some really good thin, paper thin edges. That's why I like the balloon latex, because I feel like it gets really thin, nice edges. Now, I did about 20 layers on this. You can do 15 if you're using regular latex. I probably did a little bit more than 20, maybe like 21, 22, but I lost count. Anyway, I know that I did quite a bit, and I would have done less if I was using regular latex, but this balloon latex tends to be really thin, which I feel like it gives you nice pieces. So comment down below and let me know if you thought this was easy or not, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!